Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation on this 2019 pre-owned. It's a Coachmen Crossfit, and it's going to be a fantastic camper van that's got the duals in the rear. It's got a 1-ton chassis. It's got a nice stance to it. It's also got the EcoBoost motor in there, which gives you a lot of horsepower for that 6-cylinder. Gives you also a great tow rating of 5,000 pounds, so it makes it really nice. Let's start on the inside and finish on the outside there. On the interior of this particular vehicle, you end up having your typical rear sofa that makes into a bed in the back by way of a push button that you have. So that will power down into a bed that sleeps kind of modified twins, and then you're going to end up being able to fill in this area I'm standing in here with these tables and be able to have these cushions go in to give you that one larger bed for two if you need to. This TV comes around and wraps around so you can kind of see from that front area over there. We have a swivel seat on that passenger seat so they can kind of get a view of that TV from that area up front. You also have a refrigerator that's pretty cool because it does end up having the refrigerator part used more often up on the top part, and then your freezer down below. So that's kind of pretty cool. You also have adjustable shelves here, and that you can take the shelves out if you want to and use it for wardrobe space, and that's going to be your space in that, your closet in that. You've also got nice drawer here that's pretty good for pots and pans. You also have little storage in there for sponges and such for your sink. I believe also you got like a nice little kind of a soft close on your cabinet, on your drawers. Storage overhead all the way throughout this side, and you have nice big windows in this motorhome as well too. If you look in the bathroom, you can kind of see it's got room in there with a sink, single lever faucet, little mirror in there, and a place to hold that hose and the connection in there if you want to use it for the shower inside. And you also, of course, like I mentioned, you can rotate this seat around here to have this space inside. So again, it's got air conditioning, a fantastic fan up top. It does also have a solar panel up top. You can give me a call at that number at the end of this video, and I can be able to give you more details about this particular motorhome. But it's got a nice, easy to get in and out of. I like that, with this bar running all the way lower and higher here on that. Nice. You also have a screen that's built into that compartment, which is nice. And you bring that door there, you go back over here, you see it's got some nice suspension on it, duals in the rear for stability. It's also got a little space in the back here that I think right now I'm gonna have to unlock that door there. We'll kind of show you some of that space in behind here real quick. Some of that space in behind. So they have a small bit, but a little bit. You can see they got the tank in behind there for your freshwater tank, your jack, if you ever need to change a spare. You also have this little pull down here bug screen, which I like real well too. Back windows have rear window defogger on them. See the windows open up a little bit for ventilation inside. Also the cab inside this, I'll show you just briefly. You got some pretty open space. It's kind of, when you get in here, I'm 6'2" almost, and I've got a lot of leg room and space in here. So it's important when you're looking for a camper type van that both, if it's two people that need to know about that and they travel together, it's nice to know that they can adjust the seat pretty much quite a bit up if you need to for somebody that's shorter. And also for me, I've got plenty of leg room and arm room as well too, and you have an adjustment on the steering wheel. So again, more questions you'll have, feel free to give me a call. It's Tom Peterson here at Guaranty. I've been here for 29 years. And I'd love to answer questions for you. So you'll see that number at the end of the video, and give me a call. Remember, at Guaranty in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.